All right. So here's my go at the 1 minute impromptu challenge. So let's generate a topic for me first. The art of listening. How active listening can transform our relationships and empower our communities. I mean, this one is like too good to be true. I feel like I'm cheating or something. All right, so let's focus. All right, let's rock and roll. So I think it's fair to say that listening is actually a much underappreciated skill in today's society, where we are already by default so overwhelmed by all the bombardment, by all kinds of information coming from all sides, that we actually find it really, really hard to sort of engage with our fellow humans. So that we can come together, support each other, foster better understanding within small and big communities worldwide. I also feel like the whole situation with the social divide that we're seeing around the world right now is not making this any better. So we're actively discouraged from listening to each other, whereas this could actually be maybe the only viable means of making our lives collectively as a humankind better.